Welcome to Brain Vision.
Of this question, we are solving that acceleration of the block when it reaches the surface 2 by x. So for that, first we are calculating mass on the surface 2, that is m upon l into x, and the sigma fx will be minus fk, because the friction force is always opposite to the motion, which is max. So ax will be minus fk upon m. So ax will mu fn upon m, because friction force is mu fn. So fn is mg, so mu mg upon m, and that will ax will be minus mu g, or m is ml up into x by m. M and m get cancelled. Ax become minus mu g x upon l, and where mu is using q. And for the next part, we have to calculate the initial velocity of the body, so that after the full block will pull on the surface 2, the velocity becomes 0. For that, delta E is 0. So EF equals EI. So kinetic plus Q friction equals KI. So half mvf square, and this is 0, and Q friction, which is Q friction, equals Ki half mvi square. So this will come out Q friction, and Q friction F is nothing but mu g into mx upon L. This is the force, and dx of that, and integrating from this from 0 to q, and this will 0 to x, and this will have mvi square. So this will come out half mu gm upon 2l into l square equals half mv square. So after calculation, this will become half root over mu gl.